So anyway, I got nothing. I got nothing. Hi guys, I'm Madeline from Lakesidetable, and this week, since we're getting close to Easter, I wanted to share with you one of my favorite Easter time recipes. So I got to thinking and I started wondering what you guys like to have for Easter. So before we jump into this video, if you wouldn't mind just jotting down real quick in the comments below what your favorite Easter item is, or brunch, dinner, whatever it is, I'll pick one or two at random and we'll do them together on Facebook Live. Okay, all right, cool. So back to egg salad sandwiches. These are so my favorite. I love, love, love egg salad. And if I'm gonna have it on a sandwich, I want the cheapest, softest white bread you can get because they make these great big pillows of goodness. Today for lunch, I'm gonna make my husband some rainbow egg salad sandwiches. Take a dozen boiled and peeled Easter eggs that have been dyed. Using an egg slicer, chop them into small pieces. Add 2/3 cup mayonnaise, 1 cup minced celery, 1/2 cup chopped green olives, and 1½ teaspoons of Beaumont seasoning. 1 teaspoon salt, some ground pepper, and my favorite, 1/2 stick softened unsalted butter. Mix this gently, and that's it. See how pretty it is? All the little splashes of color. The Easter egg dye comes through the cracks in the eggs, and it makes it so pretty. Because there's not a lot of different seasonings in here, we've kept it pretty basic. The egg is still the star, and it doesn't have to compete with a lot of other noise. I like the Beaumont seasoning, and I don't get paid by this spice company, but I like it because it's a little smoky, and the butter makes it creamy, and there's a little crunch of celery, and the olives give it a nice salty punch. I hope you like this egg salad as much as I do. Not that I'm expecting you to give up your chocolate Easter bunnies or anything, but I hope you really enjoy it. So don't forget to write down below in the comments section what your favorite Easter dish is, or even your favorite Easter candy. Either way, please do. And I look forward to seeing you next week. And until then, happy Easter and go have fun in your kitchen. Bye guys.